Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to fill color in the table cell in Word document. Make sure filling color into a table cell in Microsoft Word is a quick way to highlight important data or make your header stand out. So the first method is using the ribbon. For this you need to click inside the cell or highlight the multiple cells that you want to color, like this one. And then look at the top menu bar. You will see a temporary tab appears called Table Design. Click onto it. So in the middle of that ribbon, click the drop down arrow next to the shading button and select your preferred color from the color palette, like green. And here it is. So simple. If you want to remove a color later, just click no color, like this one. Another way is that you need to select the cell or select the different cells you want to color it. Then you will see that a small mini toolbar will pop up right above your right click menu. For this you need to click the shading, and here is the shading. You need to click on that and select the color of your choice, like this one. And you can also remove the colors later on if you want to click no color. So these are the two simplest ways where you can fill color in table cell in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.